In today's equity index futures markets, let's take a look at the Dow futures as they're realizing some further upside today. We're seeing the futures now up for a fifth consecutive session. And today's price action is pushing them to a new all-time high. We're looking at the futures market right around 36,400 currently. That's up about 30 basis points on the day, and it's enough to take out the previous high from November. And so we are seeing the Dow futures pushing up towards a new all-time high as we move towards the close. And I think when you look at some of the driving factors behind the strength in the Dow futures today relative particularly to the other equity index futures markets, has a lot to do with some of the industrial names, some of the names that I think are perceived to benefit from some of the trends that we're seeing, particularly in the retail sales data that was released over the weekend. Couple that with the potential economic impact of the Omicron variant. It does appear that we're going to continue to see economic activity maintaining. And we did, as I mentioned, get some pretty positive numbers here yesterday. So I think that those things are helping to support some of the names within the Dow that are helping to push it higher today. And when you look at the general trends in place, as I mentioned, we are seeing the Dow now taking out those November highs, and so now we've got confirmation from the S&P and the Dow. However, the NASDAQ and the Russell are still lagging a little bit, not making it up towards those all-time highs as of yet. We are seeing the other major equity index futures markets either flat to down on the session today, with the NASDAQ under the most pressure, but not down too significantly. And on the flip side of that, we're looking at the Dow futures up about 30 basis points as we move towards the close, which would be a new all-time closing high.